So kani nga flyers gang ihatag naman sa inyo ha para ma-aware mo kung unsa ang dapat buhaton ninyo. Hatagan mo idea para maging safe mo. Diba? Tama ba?
Our heart to serve young people. Sumama po kami and we joined. Ito po, nandito po kami ngayon and we're one of the organizations na napili ng Save the Children for this specific campaign. Mas na-excite kami kasi the model na meron po sila is different from what we have and what we know before. Dito namin talagang mas mauunawaan kung ano yung totoong problema ng community. So yung approach nila is ngayon very child approach. They are very creative. The tools that they are shared to us, hindi siya complicated. Dun sa tools na ginagamit namin, nasasagot namin collaboratively and consensus na napag-uusapan kung ano ba talaga yung gusto namin at bibigyan tunan ng pansin. There are also brains coming from our adults. So dito mas napapatibay the approach that we are going to give and also the solution that we want to make doon po sa campaign.
We come up with the idea from the data from City Health Office and an interview from Rural Health Unit of Barangay. We saw that there's a gap from adolescents visiting our health centers in the barangay. With this, we want to enhance the bridge that gap in order to provide the services and programs for our young people. We started the campaign in Barangay Kalumpang, General Santos City with the highest number of population and data on teenage pregnancy. During the campaign, we focused on the 3 schools located in said barangay and conducted our Paliwanag campaign.
This helps man for the children. That's why murag very proud ako as a attendant and also a member of AHA to facilitate this kind of campaign.
We get to meet a lot of people and we are able to find strength with each other in our core team and the other members of our organization.
My overall experience during the campaign was great and got to know fellow youth that are struggling in accessing their sexual reproductive rights, and it made me realize that having this kind of campaign is really essential, especially in this time that teenage pregnancy is being rampant in our community.
As a student leader of Kalumpang High School, dako oportunidad nga dirigi conduct ang Paliwanag campaign ug dako nga contribution diri sa students and to address the awareness and to prevent of teenage pregnancy.
I am encouraging the youth to attend seminars or campaign about the teenage pregnancy awareness because this is for us.
By this way, we can give awareness lalo na sa mga kabatanon nga kani siya nga mga istoryahon, kailangan jud nato ni siya ipaintindi at the early age para maiwasan ang pagdako sa mga kisa sa teenage pregnancy itself, para maging productive ang ato ang mga kabatanon.
And natutunan ko na hindi hadlang ang pagiging bata para tayo ay may kagawa. Meron at meron tayong magagawang pagbabago para sa ating komunidad.
Pero sa mga adolescents nga nag-ato dire, first time po nila nga na RHU Kalumpang na natultulan nila tungod sa campaign sa AHA sa school.
Kung pwede, hanggat maaari, ma-continue na to ang pagiging na to para sa lahat. Padayon sila mag-trust din sa ato ang advocacy.
In Paliwanag campaign, we envision a society where adults and youth are working together for a stronger and healthier Filipino youth.